Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Could your next visit to the dentist protect you from Alzheimer's? Actually, similar thing happened. What happened? First, research means new research suggests that the bacteria lurking in your mouth may be silently invading your brain. Yes, in the year 2019, a study published in Science Advances made headlines across the globe. Researchers led by Jan Potempa and Stephen S. Domini found one special kind of bacteria. Name of that bacteria is Porphyromonas gingivalis. In short, this is known as P. gingivalis. Porphyromonas gingivalis. In short, this is known as P. gingivalis. And this is this bacteria is the special cause, the main cause of gum disease. Okay. And they found this bacteria in the brains of diseased Alzheimer's patients. This is so interesting and this is so dangerous. Okay. P. gingivalis is actually a mouth bacteria which causes gum disease. But the same bacteria was found in the brains of diseased Alzheimer's patients. And the scientists didn't just find this bacteria. They found one more interesting thing. And that is Gingipains. Gingipains. What is this? Gingipains is a toxic enzyme. Gingipain is a toxic enzyme released by P. gingivalis, means that special bacteria, which was found in the brains of diseased Alzheimer's patients. And this Gingipain, this toxic enzyme, causes what? This causes death of brain cells. And one more thing this does. And what is that one? That one is it triggers, means Gingipain. This triggers what? Formation of a protein, means buildup of a protein. Name of that protein is amyloid beta. This also remains present in the brains of Alzheimer's patient. Means this is actually highly linked to Alzheimer's. You can say this way, amyloid beta, this protein. Okay, this is highly linked to Alzheimer's. And in mice, in case of animal models, scientists actually used mice. They conducted their experiments on mice and they found all these things. The same things. Same things means what? They actually P. gingivalis, this bacteria was used in the mouth of those mice, and they found they observed so many things like damage of nerves, then inflammation in the brain, then memory loss. All these things were observed. And one more interesting thing was observed by the scientists. That is what they observed, that the patients who are still not showing any signs of dementia, in that case also, in their brains also, that bacteria was present. Or here better to say that the Gingipain was present, that enzyme, toxic enzyme. That means what? You can conclude this way, that infection might precede memory loss. And there is a causal link, you can say this way, that first mouth infection occurs, and from there brain inflammation occurs, and from there neurodegeneration occurs. First mouth infection, then brain inflammation, and then what? Then neurodegeneration. So people who was not showing any sign of dementia up to that time, in their brains also the same toxic compound, that toxic enzyme Gingipain was present. But there is a good news. Good news is what? Good news, they used some drug which blocks actually the Gingipain, that enzyme. Means that molecules, small molecule inhibitors. Actually, scientists designed small molecule inhibitors, and that inhibitors, or better to say that drug, is capable of blocking those gingipain enzymes. Then what happened? Then they observed improvement in the memory performance. Improvement in the memory performance. They observed this thing. That means in near future we could be able to see treatment or even prevention of Alzheimer's disease simply by blocking the damage of mouth bacteria. Damage caused by mouth bacteria. Better to say damage caused by mouth bacteria. So in that case you need to do what? You need to just block. Okay. So here what happened actually, they used small molecule inhibitors to block the enzyme, and therefore they got fruitful results, means good results they got. They observed good results, the scientists observed. So this is what? This is nothing but good news. So following the same way, following the same process, following the same drug, we can do many things. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So you can see here, what is the interesting thing? Mouth bacteria causes Alzheimer's. Okay, that was the interesting thing in this discussion, in today's discussion. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.